How to merge Evernote ENEX files. In this tutorial, we will guide you to merge Evernote ENEX files using Forensics ENEX Merge software. To install the Forensics ENEX Merge software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of Forensics ENEX Merge software. To begin, click on the Open button. This software provides user with dual options. Choose Files option to browse files within a folder, or choose Folders option to browse between group of folders within the folder. User can choose either one of the options available as per their requirement. Click on Choose Files option to browse the ENEX files from the system. You can select single or multiple files at once. Click on Open button to continue. This software also allows the user to preview the selected ENEX files before merging them. This panel shows all the selected ENEX files. Users can preview the content of the ENEX file by clicking on it. The list of content of the selected notebook can be viewed in this panel. Click on the note you want to preview. The content of the selected note will be viewed in this panel. To continue, click on Export button and choose Merge. This bar shows the destination of the merged file to be saved after the process is completed, or you can change the location by clicking on Browse option. Delete Old Folders option removes all the old folders on the destination path. You can enable or disable it using the button. If Open Folder after export is done option is enabled, the merged folder location will be opened once export process is completed. You can enable or disable it using the button. New File Name option allows the user to name the file accordingly. You can change the name from the box available next to New File Name option. Merge All Files option allows the user to merge all the selected ENEX files together. To include or exclude the selected ENEX files, the user needs to check or uncheck the checkbox available next to the selected ENEX files. Whereas the Advanced Merge option enables the user to choose whether to include or exclude content from within the selected ENEX files before merging them. After choosing the files, simply click on the Save button and merge process will begin. Once the merge process is complete, an output window showing the location of the merged folder will pop up. Open the folder in order to check the merged ENEX file. And there you have your newly merged ENEX file created using Forensics ENEX Merge software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.